Hello, hello. Welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
I'm Matt.
On this Saturday's Liqueur series, we're exploring Baileys and their almond milk liqueur.
Will is so excited about this.
Don't you forget to hit that like and subscribe button, click that notification bell. Matt, tell me more about this lovely beverage you poured in my glass.
Look at this. Baileys Almond Milk. I didn't even know I owned this one. I found it today in a box. So excited about it. It's 13%. Woohoo! Anyway, it's almond milk. And then it's mixed with, it's from sweet almond oil and an almond essence, which apparently is an extract of crushed almonds, cane sugar, fortified water, and then it's combined with vanilla. So it's basically almond milk and vanilla. That's exactly what this is. It is dairy-free, so if you are a dairy person, can't have dairy, that's why they made it. So people that could actually drink this and not die from it, which is a plus.
How do you milk an almond?
I think you take the nipple of the almond and you go, eek, 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 eek. That's how it works.
Is that how it works?
Little pointy end.
Oh, okay. Oh, the pointy end. Oh, okay. I've never referred to that part as the nipple before. That might be what my problem is. I didn't know.
It's the almond nipple. Anyway, it's best served over ice or in a cocktail. They said there's some cocktails that are fun. There's the Baileys Almande Peach Smoothie, the Almande Berry Coconut Smoothie, and the Baileys Almond Spiced Cold Brew. They're on their website. It's pretty cool. All right, let's see what we think of this and see how much Will hates it. Smells like vanilla almond milk, vanilla and sugar.
So much sugar. And you're right, vanilla sugar.
About it. That's all I can smell on this.
This is vanilla frosting on top of vanilla cake.
Totally.
It's like an overload of vanilla.
Super, like that thick, like this thick of freaking,
yes.
Like frosting when you go to like Walmart or Kroger or whatever, and you get one of those.
Yeah, they layered it on so freaking thick.
It's just pure sugar.
Spun sugar and just
totally. Yeah.
If cotton candy had a vanilla flavor.
Pretty much. Yeah, that is insanely sugary smelling.
Oh, I'm very much looking forward to drinking this.
Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. And obviously there's some Irish whiskey in here, but I don't smell the Irish whiskey at all. I
don't taste it either. Oh my God. It is so sweet.
Yeah, I mean, it's almond milk, vanilla, sugar, cream.
It has more of the almondy kind of flavor on the palate.
It's not quite as sugar as I expected it to be on the palate, which is a good thing, comparably to the licking pure frosting off the nose.
Okay, that's fair. It's not that sweet.
Yeah, it's not. I thought it'd be sweeter than the palate than I thought it would be, but yeah, it's good. I mean, I like it. I don't think this is bad. I think if you do have a dairy intolerance, this is a good thing for you to try. If you want to get a chance to try an Irish, try one. It's good. It's an almond milk liqueur.
I could see myself adding this to a coffee as maybe a little bit of a sweetener to an espresso or to a nice cup of coffee. I might do that in a little bit. Have a nice cup of coffee, a little bit of that. But that sounds fine. It's a little sweet on its own for me.
It is. It's also gluten-free apparently. So gluten-free and dairy-free. So cool. Ooh, a Baileys frozen frappuccino. There you go.
If it wasn't sweet enough, there's a way to make it sweeter.
Yeah, I don't know. I like it. I think it's pretty tasty. For what it is, that's not bad. If you like I said, got a dairy issue, it's pretty good.
You remember our price point on this one?
It was like $20. It wasn't expensive.
All right. Well, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Click that notification bell. Join us live every Monday night where you can join the conversation and become part of the community. Until next time, keep better liquids in your glass. Cheers. Baileys Almond Milk Liqueur.
Yep.
Oh, that sounds...
I didn't even know I had it till today. Found one to look at the liqueur shit.
Yay. 5, 4.
It's a good thing we don't make a liqueur infinity bottle. It'd be the grossest bottle ever.
Oh my god, I can't even imagine.
It'd be like congealed shit in it. It'd be horrible.
Oh, separated, like
It would
different
be
layers
it'd be
of
like the best B52 ever.
No, so much no.
It would be so gross.